Hola, here are your instructions for lunes el 12 de abril. First, we're going to start off with your calentamiento, which is a review of ser and describing people. So you are going to look at the pictures of people, and each one is asking cómo es or cómo son, and you're going to use a picture to help. So this one says cómo es Melissa, so what is Melissa like? So you're going to say in Spanish, Melissa is short. So for each blank, you're going to write a word. Melissa or she is short. The next one we have, ¿Cómo es Paco? What is Paco like? You can describe Paco as fat, chubby. So you'd say he is chubby or he is fat. ¿Cómo son ellas? What are they like? You can either say they are athletic or they are sporty. So they, girls, are sporty or athletic. ¿Cómo son ustedes? What are you all like? So if you are answering what are you all like, you're going to say we. So for this one, these are mean girls. So you're going to say we are mean. And then our last one here, ¿Cómo son ellos? What are they like? They're wearing hard hats, so they are hardworking. So you're going to say they are hardworking. If you can't remember, you need a little bit of help with your pronouns or the verb ser, your cheat sheet is down here at the bottom. So here are your pronouns, I, you, he, she, we, they, y'all, and our forms of ser. I am, you are, he, she, you, formal is, we are, they, or y'all are. Okay. It will give you partial credit. I'll look over it if you're not here and see how well you do. We then did some worksheets on ser. And what you're going to do with these is there are 2 pages. The first page, you're basically going to describe a bunch of people using the same word. So first, you're going to describe a bunch of people using the word tall. So I am tall, you are tall, he's tall, she's tall, we're tall, they're tall. So the first blank, you're going to fill in with the verb ser. So soy, eres, es, somos, or son. The next blank is going to be a form of the word alto. So remember we talked about before break that when you describe somebody, you have to match A, their gender. So is it masculine or feminine? And then B, the number of people. So if you're describing a single male, it's going to be alto. If you're describing a single female, alta. If you're describing more than one male, altos. More than one female, altas. So you're going to change that alto if necessary, depending on who you're describing. And you're going to do the same thing down here with bajo. So your first blank is a form of ser. Second one is how do you change bajo? Do you need to? And then inteligente. So how do you change inteligente? Inteligente is a little bit easier because you only have to change inteligente when you're talking about more than one person. Hint, hint. Your second page here, you're going to write sentences. So for example, you're going to take the person that it gives you or the people, and then you're going to say that person or those people is or are these descriptions. And you'll have to possibly change the descriptions based on that person, right? So for Monica, you would need to write Monica is rich and nice. So here you would write Monica es. Now we're talking about a female, so we would need to make these feminine. So Monica es rica y simpática. Monica is rich and nice. And you'll do the same thing all the way down. So Robert is innocent and tall. Anna and Maria are patient and blonde, and so on and so forth. So you just add in the is or are, and then you change the descriptions as needed. You're going to turn that in when you're done. The last thing that you're going to do today is a practice quiz. Tomorrow you have an open note quiz, so you may use whatever notes that you have learned or that you've been given. So you have this quiz here, and you can take it as many times as you want. It will tell you any that you get wrong, and they are fill in the blank with the verb ser. Soy, eres, es, somos,